Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by exporting the current registry so you can roll back if needed. Open Regedit as administrator, then choose File, right arrow Export, and select All, save the reg file to an external drive. Once done, create a system restore point. This gives you an alternate recovery path. Make sure you note administrator credentials and any BitLocker keys before continuing. These steps protect you while you make registry changes, so do not skip them and confirm the backup file opens successfully. Now you methodically restore defaults by addressing modified keys. First, compare your exported reg to a reference, then delete or rename only the suspect keys, append old so you can restore later. Next, import a known good default reg file if available. If not, run DISM and SFC to repair system files, which in turn recreate missing registry entries. Make sure to reboot after importing or running repairs, because many registry changes apply only at startup. Finish by rebooting into normal mode and verifying the system operates correctly. Check Start, File Explorer, and Key Apps. If problems remain, immediately restore the exported reg or roll back to the system restore point you created. If you still see issues, boot into safe mode and inspect Event Viewer for registry-related errors. Sometimes just reverting a single renamed key fixes the problem. One tip: if Windows won't boot, use WinRe to apply the reg file or run system restore from recovery options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.